So there's a quote stated by Dr. Ralph Nickel, which is a nanotechnology is an idea that most people simply did not believe. Why? Because nanotechnology is so small and we cannot see by using our naked eyes. So it can only be observed under the electron microscope. So when we talk about nanotechnology, I think majority of us will think about this scene. So this is actually a scene in Avengers movie, and this hero name is Iron Man, have a suit that is made out of nanotechnology. So basically, nanotechnology is a branch of technology that deal with a nanoparticle to produce new structure and device. So before we start our presentation, I will first introduce myself. So my name is SIEW Sam, and I'm previously working as a disinfection staff. So I will have experience on the nanoparticle in the disinfection field.
And my name is Lo Junliang, and previously I'm working as a pharmacy part-time, so I have experience in drugs.
Yeah, so next, the topic of our presentation is nanotechnology in animal health. And we both have great interest on the topic, and we did read some articles from different universities about this topic. And now we would like to share with what we have learned. Okay, so today I would like to focus on two applications of nanotechnology in animal health. So first one is a smart drug delivery that we present by Dave. And the next one is a disease diagnosis and treatment in animal health that we present by me.
Okay, so firstly, I'll presenting about smart drug delivery. So before that, I would like to compare the normal conventional drug delivery system and also the smart control drug delivery system. So as a conventional drug delivery system is usually accompanied by a systemic side effect that is mainly attributed to their non-specific bio distribution and also uncontrollable drug release characteristic. But in a smart control drug delivery system, they can effectively reduce the dosage frequency while maintaining the drug concentration in the target organs or tissue for longer periods. And although there are tremendous number of publications about advanced drug delivery system, but only has a little has been published on the relevance of safety and efficacy evaluation of smart drug delivery system in animal to more predictive clinical effect on humans. So scientists believe that in the future, further technology advance will make this smart drug delivery system most likely develop delivery system for biological and bioactive system for target site deliver capacity, such as potentially using buckyballs, nanotubes, dendrimers on drugs, and all those implantable cell bioreactors. Besides that, it can also develop nucleic acid delivery system through a bottom-up approach using DNA molecules to build up nanowires or nanotubes in the assistance of reproduction, animal vaccines, and also animal control agents. So next, but the above situation will only be able to reach their full potential through the integration. More research need to be taken for them to work together as for our design and develop automated integrate network for monitoring and control of animal system and food safety and security. And the development of smart herd system that detects, identify, reports, and also treats the illness of single infected animal in a herd prior to the onset of symptoms that can also be considered. Okay, so next.
Okay, so I will continue the next application of nanotechnology for disease diagnosis and treatment in animal health. So next. So there is a nanotechnology used for treatment of cancer that called nanocell. So nanocell basically is like a new type of nanoparticle composed of a silica core coated with an ultra thin metallic, which is gold layer. Okay, next. Okay, so here are the steps of application of nanoshell for treatments of cancer. So firstly, the nanoshell can be injected into the animal bloods, and the nanoshell in the blood will seek out and attach to the surface receptor of the cancer cells. When there is an exposure of infrared light, the cell temperature raised to about 55 degrees Celsius, and this high temperature can burn and kills the cancer cell. And the normal cell that did not attach with this nanoshell will not affect it. So next. So this is the research done by the scientists in Rice University, Texas. And here's the link for the article. If you are interested, feel free to check it out. So next. Okay, next there is a technology used in disease detection. This nanotechnology is called biochips. So biochips can be used for disease detection in animal. A biochip is a device typically made of hundreds and thousands of short string of artificial DNA deposited on a silicon circuit. Okay, next. So biochips can also be used to trace the source of food to detect the presence of animal products from different species. So it can locate the source of pathogen that lead to a public health threats such as avian flu and mad cow disease. So blood chips can also detect the quantity of protein and chemical in a sample. So it making them useful for detecting the biowarfare agents for disease. So using a biochips, biological samples such as blood, tissue, and semen can be analyzed and manipulated.
Okay, so turning to the last part of our presentation, is nanotechnology overhyped, or will it change the world of animal health and veterinarian practice? So studies shows that existing research has clearly demonstrated the feasibility of nanoshells and nanotubes for the introduction in animal system to seek out and destroy target cell. Although nanotechnology is still on its early stage of development, and we can see that the most scientists and biologists are beginning to work more deeply for significant benefits and in healthcare and animal medicine. Thus, it's called reasonable to say that nanotechnology industry will begin to be revolutionizing animal health and also medicine over the next couple of decades. So that's all from our presentation. Thank you.